Hi, hope you are all well. My name is Trifonas Papadopoulos. Here you see an Excel file where you can have a list of the files in a folder and its subfolders. If you press this button, list of files in a folder and its subfolders, there is a message box saying that if you want to clear all existing data. Here there are no data yet, so there is no problem if you press yes or no. Let's press yes. It asks for the folder you want to add. In our case it is selection of photos. And here you can see the list of the files included in this folder and its subfolders. There is an extra message box saying if you want to create a second folder with the renamed file names, but we are not gonna do that now. We're gonna do it a little bit later. So we say no. So if you go here and you press on this cell, you see here the image, and as you scroll down you see all the images. You can see also the image name and the details of the photo. When there is no photo, I mean no details or any file path, you see nothing. So now if we say that we want to create this, to rename these photos, we just press again. We say clear. We select again our folder. And here we say yes. And the message box says file renaming and copying complete. So now if we go to see our computer, there is a second folder named selection of photos, renamed file names. And if we press here, we can see the same photos but with different names. The rule to follow for the new file names just a minute. To check if everything was okay. No need to do that. We just say open with. Just to check the file name. It takes a little bit longer than usual, but anyway. So here we have the renamed file name, folder 1 followed by the ID, followed by the old file name.